Welcome back everybody to our channel and joining on our journey for our new house. The site has been excavated and the preparation for the columns and footers are on the way. But first, as always in the Philippines, we have to do a sacrifice with chicken blood and some coins. One post is in the way, which is actually from the electricity company, so we have to work around it, but we can get it included quite good into the structure as such. So once we done the excavation, the guys started with the preparation of the rebar. This is our vehicle for the workers, and here you see the first columns being poured, and now all the hard taken out soil has to be taken back. As the grate bar is done, now we start with the first row of concrete hollow blocks, which will be going up to 2 meters and something, which we will show you in the next footage, where you can see how fast this is going on. This here is in the second week with 6 people and 6 days of work. Quite amazing how hard and fast these workers are doing their job. Looking forward to see our next show and hope you do well. Bye bye.